Hey guys, this is my Ekouaer women's vintage stripe one-piece swimsuit. So this is a super cute, a little bit more coverage, vintage style swimwear with tons of support at the chest. So I am a larger bust up top, and this gave me plenty of support and lift while also being kind of a short at the back. So if you want a little bit more coverage on your lower booty area, you can get some coverage there while still kind of smoothing everything out at the tummy area, almost kind of bandage-like with the smoothing effect there. So really love that, and I am usually self-conscious of my hips and back area, so I love that it's all very covered and smoothed out, but still very form-fitting and sexy looking, even with the front having that little bow tie in between to really emphasize the chest area. So lots of great color selections in this one. I did find it fit really true to size. It's made of spandex and nylon. Definitely recommend it.